Don't mind my tudung. I'm having like a bad tudung day. But whatever, we're just gonna go with this. Earlier today, I actually did a poll on my Instagram asking you guys whether you wanted me to do a makeup tutorial or if I would do a video about the local products that I like. Most of you actually voted for local products that I like, so this video is going to be about the local products that I actually like and approve of. I know that I have been working a lot with international brands and I take pride in that, but at the same time, I also believe that local products should be given the same fair chance as international products because some of them are really good and I am very proud of these products that I have tried. Some of them actually made it to my travel bag, which actually means a lot because I travel a lot and I only bring things that I really like to use. I have 7 products altogether over here, and so yeah, let's get started. The first product that I would like to share with you guys today is the Manniqueen Matte Powder Blusher in Autumn 04. It's like a orangey brownish shade, which is my favorite shade to wear at the moment. I think it really suits Asian skin tones, and I think it complements most of my makeup looks, this color right here. Although the packaging is fairly simple, I don't mind that in a blusher, and because of it's so compact and small, I can bring it to travel. And what's even better about this, I like the fact that it is a matte powder blusher, but the pigmentation in this is pretty decent. I love how I can just, you know, tap my blusher brush just a little bit on here, put it on my cheeks, and the color will show, and I can blend it. It blends really well with my makeup and all, so it's good. This retails for 49 ringgit, which I wouldn't say is particularly cheap, but I think it's worth it because to me this is a really good blusher. The next product is no surprise to anyone. It is the Cosmetics Girl Powder Loose Setting Powder. First of all, I love the packaging. I think there is no loose powder that I own that has a packaging this extra. I mean, it even has a mirror over here. I don't think there's any of my loose powder that actually has mirror, and then it has a really cute poof thing here. The powder itself is absolutely phenomenal. The first time I used it, I was already so blown away. It is milled so finely, the powder, that when you put it on your face, it almost feels like it melts on your face. And it has worked with many of my foundations, cushion foundation, or like expensive high-end foundation, or even my drugstore foundation. Basically, it works with all my foundations so far, at least, and it really is a good setting powder for me to set my makeup, everything in place without making your face look cakey. I just love using it. They have this in 2 types. This one is the original one, just the loose setting powder, and they have, I think, the moisture lock one. I generally prefer this one better, the original one, because my skin is more to dry combination. So the moisture lock one, I think, sometimes makes my skin look a little bit patchy rather than this one. But both of them are really still equally good. And I think you get quite a lot of products in here. And this retails for 90 ringgit. You can get it at Fashion Valley or at Dark Cosmetics store. It is so, I think, babalo, yeah. It's really worth your money for you to invest in this. The next product that I have here is none other than the eyeshadows from Ferra Rossa. And I have all 6 colors. I think she came up with 6 colors. The one in sorbet actually shattered when I went to Spain. Apparently, a lot of people have that particular shade shattered as well. Apparently, that is the most fragile shade among all of her eyeshadows. So I don't know what went wrong there, but her eyeshadows are really great. You can buy this magnetic palette at her website, which I will link down below. This is the Hollywood Glam magnetic palette, and these are the 3 eyeshadows from the Hollywood Glam collection, which are Tiramisu, Raspberry, and Caramel. Raspberry and Tiramisu are matte shades, and Caramel is a really beautiful, almost golden shade. I've been loving using this on the go. My favorite on-the-go look is just putting on tiramisu as a transition shade and all over my crease, and then I will take the shade caramel and put it all over my eyelid, and I think with that I can already have a complete eyeshadow look, and I think that's amazing. I've been doing that when I was in Spain. I didn't really have time to work on my eyeshadows, so that's all that I did. Her eyeshadows are pigmented, the matte ones are easy to blend, and the shimmery ones are super creamy, super pigmented, also easy to blend. I have no complaints at all. It is as good as any international brand, the standard of her eyeshadows. And I love the fact that she chose all the warm colors. Like, you can buy all 6 of her eyeshadows and you will find yourself wearing all of them. She sells it in a single pan, and one pan costs 45 ringgit, which I have to say is not that cheap. But I can understand because the quality is really good. I guess the only downside to her eyeshadows is that it's not that cheap. Yeah, but other than that, it's really, I totally recommend this. I use this a lot myself. Okay, moving on. The next product is something that you can get from the drugstore. I think Watson has it. This one is from Simplysiti. I think I've already mentioned this in late 2016. This is Simplisiti's La Collection Dior shading blusher in the shade LCB01. It's a blusher and a bronzer in one. I love this because the pigmentation is really nice. What I like the most is because of the color. The color of the blusher is just the right color that I like to use. It's like corally orange, and the bronzer color is also very nice, very similar to the Balm's Bahama Mama. These two color combination is perfect. I usually bring this to travel. I use this the blusher, and then I can use the bronzer as my, you know, contouring. Yeah, this color is perfect for contouring. They just work really well with my brush, with any brush that I use actually. If you're looking for a blusher and also a contour that would not make your contour look muddy or anything like that, go for this one. I think it's really affordable. This retails for 47 ringgit and 90 cents at simplisiti.com if you can't get it at Watson. But yeah, this one I approve. Next product that I have is a beauty tool, and I think a lot of people also agree with me with this one. I'm talking about Breena Beauty's Blending Pearl. Her blending pearl is so good that I think it might be even softer than the original Beauty Blender. And I love the fact that it's just the same size and shape as the Beauty Blender, except for the fact that it has a flat surface, which I think is even better because I can easily use this to really get, like, you know, at this area, because it is flat, so it really blends my concealer really well. They also have it in black color. I love the black color more just because this actually is supposed to be light pink, but if you use it a lot and you wash it, it kind of like loses its pink color, and now it just looks like a nude color, right? Because I've already cleaned this, but this is as clean as it gets. But the black one, you can use it and clean it many times and it will still remain black, and tak adalah nampak macam kotor sangat kan. I would totally, you know, purchase more of these because it's really good, and I think it is just a fraction of the price of the original Beauty Blender, and it might just be even better than the Beauty Blender. This retails for 35 ringgit from Breena Beauty. It has helped me blend out my foundation and concealer really well. I absolutely love this. I also bring this to travel a lot. This is one of the local products that I would definitely recommend to anyone over the Beauty Blender. The next product is not a beauty product per se. It's actually this perfume right here. This is the blush perfume by Calaqisya. It's hard to explain about a perfume because it's hard to describe a smell, I have to admit. But this is in the scent Mademoiselle. To be honest, I'm not digging the packaging so much. I don't know, it looks, I think that it could be a little bit more classy than this. Okay, basically what I wanted to just tell you guys that I like this because this is probably the most long-lasting perfume that I have ever used. Really. And when I spray this on me, it really lasts the whole day. Even I double it rumah, I can still smell this on myself, and I'm just so amazed at how long it actually lasts on me. So that's the main reason why this gets into my list. Yeah, basically for a local perfume, I'm super impressed because it really lasts you the whole day. It will, the scent will actually stick with you. And the last product that I have here is a liquid lipstick. I can say that I've tried quite a lot of them. I just never found anything that I really like until I used this one. So my favorite local liquid lipstick so far is the Obsess Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. And my favorite shade is probably this one in the shade Smoothies. I like them because they're matte, they're kiss proof, they'll last long enough, and most of all, they're so comfortable on my lips. They don't feel drying, it doesn't crumble or anything like that. So I'm really impressed, and this is my favorite liquid lipstick from the local brands so far. My ultimate favorite liquid lipstick has to be the one from Huda Beauty. It's so light, but it takes a little while longer for it to be completely dry, but it's so good. It feels so good on my lips. I love to use it. If you ask me, best that you can find locally, I would say Wardah. Although Wardah is not a local brand, it's from Indonesia, but Wardah Cosmetics liquid lipsticks are my second favorite after Huda Beauty. No kidding. I think they are available at selected Watsons stores. If you are ever there, do check them out. So yeah, that's it. These are the 7 local products that I approve of and I use and I like. I will link them down below for you guys to check out all these products. I'm not sponsored to say any of this. This is all me. I just wanted to put it out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so I know that you like this kind of videos. If you haven't subscribed already, you can click on the subscribe button below. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.